Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw a bucket using our AutoCAD. Now we are on the right side. Let me change this to wireframe. Okay. Now we are using our line. Let's put line for now. So let's use a 5. Let me just use 5. Okay. The weight will be. So let me just use a 2. I have to explode this line, so it will be only 9. Shifting it here, so to make it look like bucket. Now we are going to trim it down. Trim. And come up this up. Then use circle 0.3. Then let's move so let's get the center here. Then trim it down. We are done with this. Now we are using now the down is 1. Okay, I think here will be okay. Now let's use a fillet. Soften 0.5. Okay, as we join the boat, there is okay. I think I'll use something from there. Let's move to southwest. And now we're going to use a buff so we can. Okay, now it's going to be 360. Okay, so now let's check it out. The down is a bit smaller to make it not okay. Let's go back. Okay, I think that it down. Let's use let's have an addition of 0.5. Let's complete this one. Let's try it and see how the down will be. See the same above. I think now this is balanced. Our bucket should be okay now. I think here it's now a bricks by bricks. We need to join them. Enter. Okay, now all of them are being joined together. Now the bucket is still light here, so you have to make it more thicken. So we are going to use a command here. Okay, So I'm going to use like, let's use 0.2. Yeah, 0.2 will be okay. 0.2 will be okay. 0.2 okay. Now it's more, I think it's more thicker. Oh, that's good. So I think we are now done with our bucket here. Okay, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. See you on the next one. And you can also change the color of it just using the properties. Put your color and change it to blue. Okay, let's just see how the blue looks like. See, very beautiful. Okay, see how the blue looks like. Very beautiful. Now this is what we use to form the bucket. You have to delete it. So now it appears more clean. This is how it will be. Okay, bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.